Can you hear me, online students? Online students, can you
Yes,
hear me?
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, fine. Any doubts from the last session? So any new students are there, those who are attending online? So I will just quickly revise the things. We have seen about the full modules, like what we cover in the complete full stack of UI. So we will be covering like the modules, like let everyone join just for 5 minutes. So we will do the modules of UI. The UI contains like HTML and the CSS and the JavaScript. Along with that, you will be also learning the framework using the React JS. And also if you will be learning few information about the Angular JS also. Okay, and this is like main topics we will be discussing with UI. And in coming to the backend part, you will be learning core Java, and also you will be learning like advanced Java, and also you will be learning about the frameworks like Spring Boot, and then Hibernate, like Spring JPA. Everything will be including in this technology. So these all you will be learning in the back end. So UI will be called as what? Front end technology, like to develop the page. So front end you will be having the UI, and backend you will be learning core Java and everything to connect and establish the database connection. For this, you will be learning in SQL and PLSQL language, common for any database. Correct? These are the complete modules we have, and we have the duration to complete this course in how many months? We have totally 6 months of time, and along with this, you will be doing few projects based upon each and every module. You will be doing project, and along with that, you will also do the internship. So you'll also do the internships. You will get the internship certificate that from the Yokta Technologies company, that you have been working on projects for 6 months. So that real-time project anyway you will be doing in last few months, so that you can be explained about the project also, that you have kept in your resume. మీ resume లో పెట్టిన project గురించి కూడా మీరు explain చేయొచ్చు, because you will do it in real time here after your course and everything, along at the end of the course. And to get the stipend for this, you have to attend regularly. At least 80% of attendance is required in the classroom, and also you have to attend the lab also. Okay, attendance is compulsory, and for every module, and you will be having the mock interviews and also MCQ questions shared to your Google Classroom. Now you are getting notes and recordings, right? To that same Google Classroom, you will also get the MCQ question. So all these things you have to score at least like above 6. Okay, so the score should be like 6 or above. Okay, so in the mock interviews, this is about the schedule and duration and time, everything. And every day you will be getting the recording of your session. Whatever the session is covered, that recordings you will be getting, notes, everything we will be sharing along with the code. And any more doubts regarding this? Online students, still if you have any doubts regarding the course content or timings or anything, you can just let me know if you have any doubts. Okay, so like this you will be getting the notes, everything clear. Now we are going to start our full stack UI. We have started with front end, that is what? HTML. Okay, so this front end in the UI, as I said, you will be having HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Okay, so someone asked some question like, from the entire section you only lead Java full stack, means I will be teaching like UI, Java and database completely. Now anyway I started HTML only, no, not Java. After completing or in between, we will be starting with SQL and then Java. Okay, so first we have started UI only, no? Then we will be starting Java. Once like you will be starting for 1.5 months, mostly you will be learning single module. After that, along with this, you will be learning the second module like SQL or Java you will be learning. So in first 3 months, 2 modules you will be completing, UI as well as the database. In the last 3 months, along with project, you will be learning the other module like Java, advanced Java and the frameworks. Before 3 months only, we start the third module also according to how we are going to do. And also along with this, as we also said, like freely you will be having additional classes of communication and aptitude. So based upon your timings and all, either it will be scheduled on weekdays or in the weekends, like maybe Saturdays. So Monday to Friday you will have technical classes. In between, after a month or something, they will be starting your aptitude and communication skill classes also. So we will plan according to that. So by 3 months, you will be completing UI database and along with that aptitude and communication also. After that, we will be starting Java. So maybe a 1.5, 2 months only, like we have a batch starting with Java, we can club you so that you can finish soon. That is how it is there. Okay, is it clear, Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So now we have started HTML in last demo sessions. We have completed 3 demo sessions and 1 regular session. So in this demo session, we have discussed about what in the last regular sessions we have seen about HTML. So what does HTML stands for? Hypertext markup language. So this is mainly used for what purpose? For structuring the content of the web page. So it is used for structuring content. Whatever the content you want to display, that content you will make into one structure, which is has to be displayed on the web page. So that is what we have seen. And also, like we have seen about different tags in the HTML, who developed and in which year, what are the latest versions. These all we have discussed in the last session. Now I will also show you the contents of the HTML that we are going to learn, like whatever the contents we have here, like what is HTML, history, document tags, and also you'll see about what are the basic tags and everything. So these are the topics we are going to cover in our HTML. So we have seen some basic tags. So what are the basic tags? We have seen basic and structural tags. First tags we have what? Basic tags and structural tags. So what are the basic and structural tags? Anyone from online, can you tell me? What are the basic and structural tags?
Head, title, body tag, ma'am.
Okay, head, title, and the body tag. So these are like structural tags we have. Basic and structural tags are like what? HTML, head, title, and the body tags. So these are the basic HTML, head, and title tags. Head tag and title tag, and also we have like body tag. So this whatever you write in between body, it is displayed as it is on the screen. So this is like basic. And next, after this basic and structural tags, we also have seen about what? Presentation tags. So
Presentation
what are
tags.
the, yes, so what are the presentation tags we have seen? Bold, italic,
Bold, italic.
underline, and also mark, strong, emphasized, subscript and superscript, small, yes, insert, delete. These all means how the data is presented on the screen. These all come under what tags? Presentation tags. So along with the presentation tags, we also have like this are like presentation tags. We also have seen about the list tags. What are that? List tags. Okay, I will do one example on this so that just as a revision. ఒకసారి మనం డిస్కస్ చేసిన అన్ని ట్యాగ్స్ మీద ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం మనం. So I'm just closing this. I will open one folder. మనం ఆల్రెడీ ఒక ఫోల్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేసాం కదా. సో ఓపెన్ ఫోల్డర్. What is the folder we have created? HTML10 something, right? So this we have created. And when we select the folder, we'll get the folder here with all the examples that we have created. So I'm just closing all. Just for everyone, once to see all of you, I'm creating one new file. So how to create? I have also shown you how to download the Visual Studio and install the Visual Studio also. Any doubts in that? Online students, do you have any doubt on installing the Visual Studio or anything? Do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay, everyone, did you install the Visual Studio? Still, if anyone is facing problem, please let me know. And if you can come offline tomorrow, please come so that I can help you if you are facing any problem. So now we can create one new file, something I'm writing like hello or any complete tags we are creating. So I'm writing like present dot html. What we are writing? Present dot html. So this is the basic structure of the html. So HTML, and we will be writing what tag? Head tag. So whatever we write in the head tag, it will come as what? Heading of the page. So now in the head tag, we are writing like welcome, or you can display like presentation tags. What are they? Presentation tags. That will come as heading. And then title tag. Whatever you are writing in the title tag, it will be displayed as the title of the page. Like so, like at the tab, whatever you are opening in the browser tab, it will be displayed as the title. So something like basic I am writing, which will be displayed as the title. And then next we are writing what? Body tag. So inside the body tag, we will write our tags. So we have heading tags. Heading tags are ranged from what? H1 to H6.
H1 to H6, ma'am.
Yes, it will be reduced like from H1 means the highest, and then H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So it will continue like that. So we have seen the heading tags. And after this, we have seen about the text in bold, italic, underline. We have seen emphasized and everything. So whatever we write in the bold, it will be displayed as what? Bold text. So it will be displayed in bold. So whatever we write in I, it will be displayed in what? Italic. So if you are writing in I, it will be displayed in which format? Like italic. So it will be displayed in italic. And also we have seen like mark tag. So whatever we write in between mark, it will be displayed as highlighted of the text. Suppose you are writing like HTML is used to. In the mark tag, I am writing like structure content. This I am writing in mark tag, and I am writing like off page. So now what will happen here? Whatever you are writing in between the mark tag, it will be highlighted. Correct? Now I'm just saving this. How to execute this? We have to press F5.
Run
Okay?
option, ma'am, or F5.
Or else you have to go to the run option also. Yes. So or else shortcut key we have F5. When you press F5, you can select the browser, so it will be displayed. Can you see? Presentation tags is the heading, bold, italic, and HTML is the structure content. It is used to. And whatever we gave in the title, it is displayed here. This is coming as the title of the page. Got it? So whatever you write in the title, it will be coming here as a title of the page. So these are the like basic tags we have seen. Like this, we have seen so many sub, super, everything. Clear? So these are the presentation tags that we discussed in the last. Any more tag if you have doubt, please let me know. I can repeat on that about the tags. And then next
Strong
after
tag.
this, yes, we also
Strong
have
tag.
seen a strong tag. Yes, we have seen. You want me to tell about strong tag?
Yeah, ma'am.
So bold and strong are same. So whatever you are writing in the strong tag, it will be also displayed in a bold format. But just when you are representing that, you are telling that it is very important text. Okay. So strong, if you are writing anything, it is like important text. Okay. So now we can write a break tag. BR is used for what? Break. Break is the tag where we have like to come into new line, and also it doesn't have opening and closing. It is having a single tag which acts for both open and close. Otherwise, if you see, every tag is having open and close. Like this, we have few tags which do not have closing. Single tag itself acts as open and closing. So now wherever you want the text to be displayed in new line, then you can just give here break tag. Hmm? Hmm. చెప్పాను బదులు రాయొచ్చు. So whatever we write in pre-tag, it is displayed as it is. You can also use pre-tag, like pre-formatted text. మనం ఎలా రాస్తే as it is గా అలా display అవుతుంది. So you can also use pre-tag. So I'm writing here like break, or you can use like pre-formatted anything. So I'm just writing this head body tags, and I'm just saving this. Once again, if you want to run this, it will be opening bold, italic, and then important. If you see bold and strong tag, both are displayed in the thick format only, the structure. But whenever you are representing the tag as a strong, that indicates that it is a what? Important text. Just for internal understanding, that strong means what? It is a important text. Like for the
Ma'am,
italic
both are
also,
same, ma'am.
both while displaying, both will display same. Internally, when
Yeah.
you are accessing in other files, we indicate
Okay.
that you are writing as a strong. Some tags information we will access with the tag name. By seeing the tag name, we will be understanding like it is an important text. So in the same way, for representing the italic, we have one more tag, em tag. Em or emp, not em is for emphasizing the text. So both em tag or italic tag, both will be representing for the same, like italic format only. Like that, we have strong and bold also similar. Strong and bold also similar text. And
For
also,
external purpose, it will be displayed the same. For internal purpose, we need to add like
yes,
that, ma'am.
yes, yes. Otherwise, in output, there is no difference. It will be displaying same, bold and strong. Is there any difference when you observe here? While
No,
seeing a
ma'am,
bold
nothing.
important, is there any difference? Both are looking
Nothing.
in thick format only.
Same.
So while seeing the output, we don't have any difference. Okay. So someone
Okay.
asked some question about Sneha BDO. Yes, this is also one text we have seen, BDO. So what does BDO means? What does BDO tag means? We have seen in the last session. In the text which will be displayed in bidirectional. Text BDO means what? Bidirectional. So whatever we are writing in BDO tag, it will be displayed in reverse directional, like BDO. So I'm writing some text here like list tags, or list tags have ordered and unordered. Ordered and what? Unordered. So here we wrote some text in between. BDO list tags have ordered and unordered. Here for the BDO, we have an attribute. What is that attribute? To display the direction. We said it is used for bidirectional. BDO is used for bidirectional. So what is the attribute we have for the BDO? Anyone from online session? We have executed this in the last direction. Yes, we will be using the attribute of what? Direction. So that in the direction we will be representing either right or left. So we will be using the tag for the direction, and here we will be representing like what should be the direction, either right or left. So once we execute, we can refresh the page. So we have by default right. So we can change the direction to the left, and let us check this. Okay, it is not applied. Okay, see, it is displayed from the right to the left. So the tag value we have to give as like RTL or LTL. So here it is displayed. See, list tags have ordered and unordered. So like this you can provide the values. Got it? So you can provide different values here to represent the text. So this is about the BDO tag. So any more doubts on the tags? Bidirectional and all we have, these are like mostly I think we have revised everything, like superscript, subscript I have done from 2 sessions, so that also I think you know. Okay, so this is about the tags we have seen in the presentation tags, and along with this we also have seen about the list tags. What are those? List. So I'm creating one example on list not HTML. So why we use this list tag? In the list tag we use for displaying both ordered and unordered list. So we have seen about the list. One is ordered list. How many types of list we have? Ordered, unordered, and also we have like glossary list. Okay, so these are the 3 types of list we have. Okay, first is like ordered list. Ordered list stands for what? OL. UL means what? Unordered list. So for everything we will be writing HTML, and then if you want you can put the heading tag here just to display, like I'm giving in H2 and I'm writing like ordered list. Okay, and if you want the text to be aligned to the center of the page, for every tag we will be having attributes. Attributes are helpful for us for adding colors, styles, and everything, and features to it. So for we have an attribute called what? Align. So for the align you will be giving like center. What is that? Center. So if you are giving like everything in the center tag, it will be displayed everything. No, but we want only heading in the center. మనం మొత్తం అసలు ఒక సెంటర్ ట్యాగ్ గురించి కూడా చూసాం. మొత్తం అంతా సెంటర్ ట్యాగ్ లో రాస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? అంతా సెంటర్ లో వస్తుంది. మనకు అలా వద్దు. ఓన్లీ హెడ్డింగ్ సెంటర్ లో కావాలి, లేదా పర్టికులర్ టెక్స్ట్ రైట్ కావాలి, లేదా left కావాలి. Then we use the attribute what? Align. Align is equal to what? Center. Like this you can write about the heading, and you can write the body tag. So inside the body tag you can write all this content. And the body, you want the background color. What is the attribute we used for the body? Background color came attribute use చేసామండి మనం last sessions లో.
BG color, ma'am.
Color. So we have used the attribute like BG color is equal to, so whatever color you want you can provide. So BG color, red, green, yellow, anything you want you can provide that color. Okay, so now I'm just saving this, and then yes, I will explain nested list also. Sure. So now we have given the background color as yellow. Now I will execute this code once. Just see here in web app. So now see, we have got what? Ordered list in the center of the page, and it is in which color? Yellow color. So now let us write the list of tags. For ordered list, what we write? OL. OL stands for what? Ordered list. And either it is ordered or unordered list, we will write with what? LI. LI stands for what? List of items. So in the list of items, we will add whatever the list of items we want, we will be adding one by one. Like the list of items like HTML I'm writing, and one more list of item you can add like LI, and I'm adding CSS, and one more list of item like I'm adding like JS. For what? JavaScript. So when I save this, and by default, if you're not mentioning anything, the list of items will be arranged with what? 1, 2, and 3. So by default, the ordered list of items will be arranged with what? 1, 2, and 3. And if you want to change it, then you will be using the attribute called what? Type. Type is equal to you want to display the items in alphabetical order. So when you give in alphabetical order, so now if you refresh the page, how you are getting? A, B and C. A, B and C. Got it? మీరు ఏమి మెన్షన్ చేయకపోతే లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఐటమ్స్ బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఎలా ప్రింట్ అవుతాయి? 1, 2, 3 numbers. But if you want to display the list of items in a particular order, అంటే నెంబరింగ్ బదులు ఆల్ఫబెట్ రోమన్ నెంబర్స్ కావాలనుకోండి, మీరు యూస్ చేసే అట్రిబ్యూట్ ఏంటి? టైప్ is equal to what? A. So you can create one more ordered list and you can change the list of items. See here I am writing one more ordered list after this, and here I am writing the list of items. So whatever you want, just I am writing like one book and one more item like pen and li list of item, like I'm writing one more item pen, and also I can write one more list of item like pencil. So like this we wrote list of items, and here I'm giving like type is equal to, in double quotes I'm giving Roman numbers, either capital or small. Now I save this. See, we are getting like this. You can create any list of items. Those who are attending today for the first time, you might feel little confused because you missed a few sessions, but nothing to worry since I have revised already, and also you have recordings. Okay, if you are attending today demo 1 session, you can contact admin so that they will send you the recordings, so that you can go through the recordings, and if you still have doubt, you can join tomorrow's session little early, or after the session you can wait and ask me your doubts. Okay, because if I repeat again from beginning everything, it is a problem, right? Those who already learn from 4-5 sessions, it will be a difficult, but still you can attend, follow the recordings and ask me doubts before or after the session. Okay, definitely who is attending today for the first time, they will definitely have some confusion. So don't worry, follow the recordings and ask me questions. Okay, fine. So this is how we created the ordered list. Either it is ordered or unordered list, we can create nested list. Someone asked like explain about the nested list. So since what nested list means, what in one list again one more list. So now for the CSS is there, I have different types of CSS. I have one more list to be created under CSS. So wherever you want one more list, means like nested list. So here again you can start OL. What we can start? OL, and inside this I am writing the list of item LI, and here I will be writing like different types of CSS, like internal CSS. This is one type we have, and one more list of item we have like external CSS. Okay, this is next CSS we have, and one more CSS we have like inline CSS. What is that? Inline CSS. So like this we have internal, external and inline. And here also if you want you can give type, or you can write by default it will take one. So here we gave small a and I'm giving here capital A. Okay, I'm just saving this, go back to the browser, refresh it. So what we got for the CSS, automatically it adjusts, ఎందుకంటే ఒకే లైన్ లో వస్తే కన్ఫ్యూజన్ గా ఉంటుంది కదా. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఐటమ్స్ ఓన్లీ అండర్ CSS. సో వాట్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఇంటర్నల్, ఎక్స్టర్నల్, ఇన్లైన్. మనం చేసేదే ఒక కంటెంట్ ని ఒక స్ట్రక్చర్ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉండడానికి. సో ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఇట్లా అసైన్ అవుతాయి అన్నమాట. గాట్ ఇట్? ఇంటర్నల్, ఎక్స్టర్నల్ అండ్ ఇన్లైన్. దిస్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ వాట్? nested list. In one list you can have one more list. ఇట్లా ఒక nested list ఉండొచ్చా? నథింగ్. ఈ nested list లో మళ్ళీ ఇంకో nested list ఉండొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో ఇన్సైడ్ దిస్ మీరు ఇంకో OL రాయాలన్నా మళ్ళీ రాయొచ్చు, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, this is an example of what? Ordered list. Is it clear, everyone? Online students, is it clear, ma? Anyone? Do you have any doubts? Online students, about the ordered list? We have already done, but I know new topic, right? Konta confusion untundi. So that is the reason I'm repeating. So anyone have any doubts regarding this? Please let me know. Clear? Okay. Sneha, Sheikh. Okay, Jamir, I think you asked about the nested list. Is it clear, ma? I will explain unordered list also. In unordered list also we will see nested, and we will combine both ordered and unordered also. అంటే nested list order ki unorder ki మాత్రమే చేయొచ్చా, కలపచ్చా? Ordered unordered ని కలిపి nested list గా చేయొచ్చా? Yes, we can do it. Okay, so now let us see that also. Like I'm going to, whenever you want to create a file, just you can create like this. You can see here option in your Visual Studio also. మీకు ఇది కన్ఫ్యూషన్ గా ఉంటే నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో రాసి సేవ్ చేయండి .html, డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేయండి, సరిపోతుంది. ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో చూపించిన నేను. ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఐఎమ్ ఓపెనింగ్ ద నోట్ ప్యాడ్. సి, I will select this, I will write notepad. Just take the notepad and open this. Here, can you see everyone? All of you in the last, is it visible? Yes. Okay, I'm writing here HTML. So in this I'm writing HTML, and inside this HTML I'm going to write the body tag, and in the body tag I'm just writing like bg color is equal to, so I'm writing just pink, so the background color is pink. Close it. And then in the body section I'm going to write now what? Unordered list. In the unordered list or ordered list, you will give what? Li as the list of items. So you can give the list of items, like I'm writing like one list of item is like a laptop is
And
one
for
list.
changing the color, we need to write in the body
For changing the,
color of the
yes,
background.
yes, we have to write body lo enduku rasnamante total background kavali kabatti. Body is representing for total background kada, andukani body tag lo rastunnam. Ala kaakunda meeku
What will
particular,
happen if we write in the head, ma'am?
సో మనం ఎక్కడైనా వేరే వాటికి ఇస్తే ఆ పర్టికులర్ టెక్స్ట్ కి బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ లో మాత్రమే వస్తుంది.
ఇది ఒకసారి
బాడీ,
చేసి చూపిస్తారా?
ఎస్ షూర్. మనం అన్ని కూడా స్టైల్స్ లో చూస్తాం అన్నమాట. సో ముందు మనం లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఐటమ్స్ చూస్తున్నాం కదా, మనం నెక్స్ట్ ఇవన్నీ చూసాక స్టైల్స్ ట్యాగ్స్ ఉంటాయి మనకి. స్టైల్ ట్యాగ్ లో మనకి అప్పుడు ఫాంట్ ట్యాగ్ ఇవన్నీ వస్తాయి. సో ఫాంట్ ఈ పర్టికులర్ టెక్స్ట్ కి అప్లై చేయొచ్చు, ఒక బ్లాక్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ కి అప్లై చేయొచ్చు, అవన్నీ కూడా మనకి సిఎస్ఎస్ స్టైల్స్ లో వస్తాయి ఫుల్ గా. ఓకే, so we will see everything. Okay ma, I will show that also in it. So again, one more list of item I'm writing like desktop. So this is like one more list of item, and again also I'm writing one more list of item like tab. So these are the three list of items where we have declared with unordered list. What is that? Unordered list. And then close the body, and then close HTML. So in this everything we have to type manually. There we'll get the suggestions, but here we have to type everything. But in beginning it is better to type in the notepad only. So after typing HTML body UL, and then UL stands for unordered list, save as, like you have to save with what? Dot HTML. So here I'm writing like unordered dot HTML. I'm just saving this. Now go to that location where you have saved. So in my computer, C Likita, I have saved under HTML10 folder. So what is the file I have given? Unordered. So just double click this file, it will open in the browser. Got background color as what? Pink, and we have like laptop, desktop and tab. So by default we will get like this circle. Okay, I have not mentioned here anything. Here also you can mention the type is equal to, you want you can mention like circle or dot or disk type, anything whatever you want you can mention, type, and then save this, go back to the browser, and you can refresh the page, you will get. Got it? So like this you will have. And in, as I said, in unordered list also you can have list of items. So now here in the laptop you want to display like one more list of item, like here you will be giving like one more UL, and in this UL you will be writing the list of items like in the LI. Okay, suppose different companies of laptops you have like Lenovo, LI, close the list of item with slash, and then again I'm writing one more list of item like LI, and in this list of item like I'm writing Dell laptop, okay, slash LI, and then what else? Hmm? HP laptop, like this you can write different list of items. LI, like Apple company laptop also we have like LI. So these are the list of items we have for the unordered list. In one list we have created one more, and then I also have to close the unordered list created, right? UL closed, correct? So in one list we can also create one more unordered list. This is the UL, and we have again created the UL in one ordered, unordered, one more unordered. So I'm saving this, go back to the browser, refresh the page. We got, like for the laptop we have Lenovo, Dell, HP and Apple. Clear? So like this in ordered and unordered we can create nested list. Now ma'am, as I said, we can combine both. In ordered you can combine unordered, and then in unordered you can also combine ordered list. Suppose you have here, like you can create in desktop also one list, right? So here I am writing OL. OL stands for what? Ordered list. So here in the ordered list, I'm going to write like LI, the list of items. And here also I can provide in desktop also I have the same list of item companies we will be providing. So in LI also, in ordered list also, I'm providing same list of items like Lenovo, Dell, HP and all. And here after all the list of items, I will be closing what? Ordered list. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం రాసాం, ఒక unordered list లో మనం ordered list కూడా రాసాం. I will save this, go back here and go back to the browser and refresh the page. We got, so I did not mention anything, so we got it what? 1 2 3 4. So we can combine both ordered and unordered list also. We can combine both. Is it clear everyone? How we are writing? So మీరు నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో రాస్తే జస్ట్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో రాసి సేవ్ చేసి ఆ ఫైల్ ని డబుల్ క్లిక్ చేయండి అంతే. ఇట్ విల్ ఓపెన్ ద ఫైల్. So once if it is closed, you want to see with the notepad. Suppose you have closed this unordered list. So files close చేశారు. Notepad లో view చేయాలంటే right click and say open with. You want through Visual Studio or Notepad, you can select and you can open it. It will open. ఓకే, అసలు మీరు విజువల్ స్టూడియోనే ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయలేదు అనుకోండి, రైట్ క్లిక్ చేసి ఓపెన్ విత్ నోట్ ప్యాడ్ అంటే నోట్ ప్యాడ్ లో ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీవన్? బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఇట్ సేవ్స్ విత్ యువర్ డిఫాల్ట్ బ్రౌజర్. సో ఇట్లా మీరు కోడ్ కొంచెం పెద్దగా అనిపించవచ్చు, కానీ జస్ట్ మనం సేమ్ ఐటమ్స్ రిపీట్ చేస్తాం అనమాట. ఎయిదర్ ఇట్ కెన్ బి ఆర్డర్డ్ ఆర్ అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ మై ఎవ్రీవన్ ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్? Is it clear about ordered list and unordered list and also about the nested list? Okay. Okay. So now along with this we have one more list. We have seen about ordered and unordered. Next we have glossary list. This is about the DD we will be calling. What is that? DD, which represents the data description. DD stands for what? Data description. See, suppose in about the it looks like a caption. Suppose you just see about a cool drink is there, Pepsi. What is the caption you can give? A cool drink. Tea, which is a hot drink. Like that you can just mention the abbreviation, right? For movies or heroes, they will be having some tags. like about explaining about them. In the same way, whenever you want to define such elements, you will be using what? Glossary list, which will explain about your tag. It is about what? So HTML, hypertext markup language, that will be your definition of the list. So such lists are called what? Glossary list. So let us execute that example. So now I'm open the Visual Studio, just create the file, and I'm writing like glossary.html. I'm just writing it, and then here we are writing like HTML, and then in the HTML we are going to write the body tag, and inside the body tag I'm just writing like in H3. Yes, it's not visible. Why suddenly it was gone? Till now you are viewing, right? ఓకే ఇప్పుడా కనిపించిందిగా మీకు ఓకే ఫైన్ ఇది వైర్ లూజ్ అయ్యి ఉండొచ్చు ఓకే ఇన్ ద H3 heading, so I'm just writing like in heading like glossary list, and here I'm going to write in this like we will be writing here dt is a data term, and dd is the data definition. So like what is the term and what is the definition you want, like you will be providing in dt. And suppose you are writing here like HTML, and you will be defining about the tag dd, and what is its like hypertext markup language. Okay, like this. I can create one term, save this, and you can just run it through the Chrome. So it will be displayed like this. Like HTML, it is a hypertext, like about that information. Okay, dt stands for the term, data term, and this is dd stands for data definition, or we can call this glossary list also as a data definition list. Okay, this is also called as what? Data definition list. Suppose anything, tea or coffee or cool drink, you can write like anything. Suppose you are writing like Pepsi, like your data term in dt tag, you're writing like one cool drink name Pepsi, and the data definition dd, you can write like cool drink. That is about the information about it. So like this you'll write, save this, go back and execute in the browser. You're getting? Yes. So such list is called what? Glossary or data definition list. Ordered, unordered, and data definition list. Is it clear, everyone?
Ma'am, can you explain the glossary list again?
Okay. So in the glossary list, like whatever we have two tags in the glossary list, one is dt and one more is what? dd. dt stands for data term. So in the glossary list, whatever we are having, we have two tags. First one is what? dt. dt stands for data term. What is that? Data term. So means what is the data you want to explain about? That is your term. Suppose you are writing like your dt is for like mobile or whatever it is, and close the term dt, and you will give some information like its definition. What is its? Mobile means what? It is used to talk, one talking device, or you can use like for any kind of device used for talking. Just you will be writing as some definition to it. So like talking device, you can write something, and you can close the dd tag here, like close the dd. That means you are explaining about your term. What is that అంటే అది డెఫినేషన్ చూడగానే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది అనమాట వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ అని. అలాగే మనం ఇక్కడ HTML అనేది మన టర్మ్ అనుకుంటున్నాం. అంటే ఏంటి, మనకు చూడగానే HTML స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ వాట్? హైపర్ టెక్స్ట్ మార్కప్ లాంగ్వేజ్. Pepsi, suppose you are writing, what is this? If you see this data definition, okay, it is a cool drink. We'll get some idea, right? So data about this, DT stands for term and DD stands for its definition. Its definition. So one more term I will write like CSS. What is that? In DT I'm writing CSS and I closed the term. Now in the DD, I'm going to write like cascading style sheets. I'm going to save this and then go back to the browser and run. Okay, once again, I think I have closed it. I will just run it again.
Add the background color for that.
Yes, I will add. So here we are adding, we are writing glossary list and then what we wrote, HTML, hypertext markup language. Pepsi, here we have like what? Cool drink and CSS. Just it will abbreviate. So by default మనకి కొంత స్పేస్ తో వస్తుంది. DT లో రాసిందేమో ఇట్లా డిస్ప్లే అవుతుంది and DD లో రాసింది ఎలా వస్తుంది? Like some definition. Got it? Understood everyone? Just all of you, if you want, just make a note of it. ఎలా రాస్తున్నాం అనేది రాయండి. ఒక్కసారి నోట్ చేసుకోండి. DT means data term and DD means what? Data definition. Data definition. Okay? Just make a note everyone.
మ్యామ్ ఆ కోడ్ కి బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ కలర్ యాడ్ చేసి ఒకసారి రన్ చేయండి.
Yes, I will add. Just let everyone note it. I will add for complete body as well as text also. I will show.
ఓకే.
Got it? See, if you want here, for the complete, we will be using what? Background color is equal to, suppose you are giving the background color as like green. Okay, you will use the BG color. Suppose you want for only H3. So here, as I said, we have to use what? Style tag. So I wanted to tell you in CSS, but just style equal to, in double quotes, we will be using what? Color attribute, and color column, you can specify the color, whatever you want. So color red, green, blue, anything, whatever color you want, you will apply. So you have closed the H3 tag. Save this and go back to the browser and let us run the browser. So when you run the browser, see, only background color we got what? Green. Only the text of glossary list came in the red color. So wherever for a particular tag you want, you will be using the style attribute. What is that? Style attribute. So style, color, column, what we gave? Red. So wherever you want, use the style attribute. For H3, DT, anyone, ఎక్కడ కావాలనుకుంటే అక్కడ మనం అది యూజ్ చేయొచ్చు. మనం we have seen in the list, right? Here you want here in the list of item, here some separate color like style, you will be giving equal to, okay, color, colon, okay, you are giving some color, aqua color. Save this and then I'm going to run this file again, F5. So only you will be getting for that particular text. Okay, so ekkada meeru style tag use cheste akkada meeku aa color apply avutundi. Okay, someone asked me, I don't know, is it okay?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, yes, we can use style tag. Actually, style tag అనేది CSS లో వస్తుందన్నమాట. There are three types. As I wrote in the list of items in the internal, external, and inline. So this type of applying style is called inline style sheet. What is that? Inline. అంటే ఆ ట్యాగ్ కి మాత్రమే అప్లై చేస్తే దాన్ని మనం ఇన్లైన్ అంటాం. సపరేట్ గా కొంత కోడ్ కి అప్లై చేస్తే ఇంటర్నల్ అంటాం. వేరే ఫైల్లో రాసి యాడ్ చేస్తే ఎక్స్టర్నల్ అంటాం. సో అది మనం సిఎస్ఎస్ లో చూద్దాం, మీకు బిగినింగ్ కన్ఫ్యూజన్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో డోంట్ వరీ, బై స్టెప్ ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ ఆల్ ద ఫీచర్స్. ఎందుకంటే ఒక్కసారి మనకి స్టైలింగ్ అంతా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఫస్ట్ మనం ట్యాగ్స్ అన్ని చూసి ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ అవసరమైన చోట నేనే యాడ్ చేస్తూ చెప్తూ ఉంటాను మీకు. ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ మా ఎవ్రీవన్? About the ordered list, unordered list, and the glossary list, is it clear everyone? Online students, we have applied the colors, we have applied the styles, and also different colors to the background also. Yes, we can apply to the head tag also. Someone asked, wait. Okay, can we use style tag too? Where we want to use Jamir in the head tag? Yes, wherever you write, you can apply the style tag to it. Suppose here I am writing one head tag here to display the heading. So I am writing here like head tag, and I am writing like this is about data definition. I am writing like data definition, and here if you want you can apply some different color. So style equal to, okay, color colon, okay, you want to give some blue violet color, so that you can provide, okay, color colon you will be providing. So this, let us save this and go back to the, okay, which file got executed, I don't know, so I'll just run again. So it was given no style is not applied in the head section. Any space issues were there? It is not applied, no? Just I will check this once. Maybe any code was wrong or anything. You can apply with any color with the head section. Anywhere you want, you can apply. Okay, whether it is head or body or anything, you can apply. So like it may be just a attribute difference, but style tag, using style tag for any tag you can apply. I will just check, re-execute once and check with you and let you know. So any more questions still? Anyone about this list, ordered, unordered, and nested list? Still any questions are there? Anyone? Any doubts? You can just let me know if you have. Someone asked me about the nested list in ordered and unordered list. If you have still any doubt, you can ask me.
Ma'am, in glossary list we have to give both DT and DE tag, ma'am.
Yes, then only it will work. In the glossary list, you have to give both DT and DD. Then only it will work. DT is for the term and DD is for defining. మనకి OLLI ఎట్లా ఉండాలి? OLLI లేకుండా మనం లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఐటమ్ డిస్ప్లే చేయలేం కదా. డేటా డెఫినిషన్ లిస్ట్ అంటేనే ఏంటంటే ఒక టర్మ్ ని డిఫైన్ రాయటం, ఆ టర్మ్ ని డిఫైన్ చేయటం. దానికోసమే స్పెసిఫిక్ గా వాడతాం. అందుకనే ఖచ్చితంగా మనకి డిటి డిడి కలిపి ఉండాలి. ఎలా అయితే ఓఎల్ఎల్ఐ యుఎల్ఎల్ఐ ఉంటాయో ఆ రెండు కలిపి రాయాల్సిందే మనం. Still any doubts are there? Those who have doubts, they can stay. Others can log off the session and continue join tomorrow at the same time, everyone. Okay, since it is raining outside, I am leaving little early. Okay, vaana padutundi kada andukani. So I am leaving 5 minutes early, but I will wait for 5 minutes. I will be there. Endukante doubts untayi kada. After session again doubts ante koncham late avutundani. So those who have doubts, they can stay. Others can leave the session. And I request everyone to join the session tomorrow also same time. And those who are joined for the newly, they have sent the enrollment procedure. So in other 3-4 days, I think you can complete your enrollment. Okay.
Ma'am, I applied for color for the head section, but it's not visible.
Yes. I was also checking that. I will let you know in the next session.
Yeah, ma'am, sure.
మ్యామ్ రిజల్ట్ లో ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది మ్యామ్? సేమ్ అదే వస్తుందా? డిటి డిడి రెండు వస్తాయి కదా?
వస్తుంది కదా, అవుట్పుట్ చూపిస్తాను ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఒకసారి I will just execute it and show you. Can you see the screen? See, DT లో HTML ఇచ్చాను, DD లో hypertext markup language ఇచ్చాను, అవునా? See, if you can see, DT లో HTML ఇచ్చాను, DD లో hypertext markup language ఇచ్చాను. So both you got it.
ఓకే ఓకే మ్యామ్.
ఓకే మా, ఇంకా ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా?
మ్యామ్ ఇప్పుడు నోట్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేస్తారా మ్యామ్? ఇప్పుడు ఇంకా అప్పుడే
చేస్తున్నాను కదా, రోజు రెగ్యులర్ గా చెప్పే నోట్స్ అప్లోడ్ చేశాను. మేబీ లాస్ట్ డ్యూ టు ఫ్రైడే అండ్ నెట్వర్క్ ఐ డిడ్ నాట్ అప్లోడ్ ఓన్లీ లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ సెషన్. ఐ థింక్ మార్నింగ్ అది కూడా లోడ్ చేసి ఉండొచ్చు. రికార్డింగ్స్ అయితే ఎవ్రీడే దే విల్ యాడ్ టు ద గూగుల్ క్లాస్ రూమ్. మీరు ఇవాళే ఫస్ట్ డే అటెండ్ అయితే కనుక ఒకసారి డెమో సెషన్ అటెండ్ అయ్యానని మా అడ్మిన్ కి చెప్పండి, సో దట్ దే విల్ సెండ్ యూ. సో పైథాన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆల్సో మీకు లింక్ వేరేగా వస్తుంది. సో మీకు కూడా అందులో
And we are not
చూడొచ్చు.
getting any notes.
సారీ,
We are not getting any notes.
పైథాన్ స్టూడెంట్స్ చెప్పేది?
No, ma'am, Java.
మీరు ఫుల్ స్టాక్ జావా అని మీకు మెయిల్ క్రియేట్ చేసి లింక్ పంపుంటారు చూడండి, ఇది. కెన్ యూ సీ ద స్క్రీన్? సో మీకు ఇక్కడ జావా ఫుల్ స్టాక్ అని మీకు లింక్ పంపుంటారు. సో ఇందులో నేను డైలీ నేను చెప్పిన రన్నింగ్ నోట్స్ పంపిస్తున్నాను, అలాగే రికార్డింగ్స్ కూడా పంపిస్తూ ఉండొచ్చు మీకు. డెమో 1, డెమో 2 సెషన్ నేను ఆల్రెడీ మొన్నే పంపాను. ఆగస్ట్ 29th డెమో 1, డెమో 2 పంపాను. అండ్ దెన్ ఆగస్ట్ 30th డెమో 3 అండ్ ఆల్సో వర్డ్ డాక్యుమెంట్ కూడా పంపాను. లైక్ అబౌట్ HTML ఇంట్రొడక్షన్, అబౌట్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈ నోట్స్ అంతా యాడ్ చేసి పంపించాను. అండ్ దెన్ అబౌట్ నెక్స్ట్ విజువల్ స్టూడియో ఇన్స్టాలేషన్ కూడా పంపాను. దీస్ 3 ఫైల్స్ పంపాను. అబౌట్ ఆర్డర్డ్ అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ లిస్ట్ అయితే పంపలేదు, ఎందుకంటే జస్ట్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు అగైన్ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి పంపిద్దామని పంపలేదు. సో అదర్ దాన్ దట్ 4 సెషన్స్ కంప్లీట్ అయినాయి మనకి టిల్ ఎస్టర్డే. 3 సెషన్స్ ఐ హ్యావ్ సెంట్, ఓన్లీ దట్ ఆర్డర్డ్
And
అన్ఆర్డర్డ్
we
లిస్ట్.
didn't got any link.
మీకు లింక్ పంపలేదా? మీరు పైథానా ఫ్రెష్ లైక్ యు ఆర్ జాయినింగ్ న్యూలీ?
No, ma'am, I'm attending past 3 classes.
ఓకే, పాస్ 3 క్లాసెస్. ఒకసారి నేను చెప్తాను మీకు. మీ పేరండి?
Shrinu.
శ్రీన్. ఓకే, నేను ఒకసారి ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తానండి. మీ అందరికి గ్రూప్ లో పెట్టానని చెప్పారు. ఒకసారి నేను మళ్ళీ ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాను, మీకు పంపిస్తారు. ఓకే,
Yeah,
నేను
ma'am, thank
ఆల్రెడీ
you.
ఒక నెంబర్ మీకు చాలా సార్లు పెట్టాను కదా, ఆ నెంబర్ కి ఒక్కసారి మెసేజ్ ఇవ్వండి మీరు. మీ దగ్గర ఉందా అండి నెంబరు? డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ద నెంబర్?
Yeah, ma'am.
ఓకే, I think I should also have here. I will just put it in the group. Okay, ఈ నెంబర్ కి ఒక్కసారి మీరు I have attended demo session, I did not get the notes అని ఒక మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి, సో దట్ మీకు రిప్లై ఇస్తారు. నేను కూడా ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేస్తాను ఒకసారి ఇప్పుడే ఆఫ్టర్ ద సెషన్. ఓకేనండి? ఫర్ పైథాన్ యూ రిసీవ్డ్. ఓకే, వి రిసీవ్ టుడే. షేక్ జామీర్, ఒకసారి చెక్ చేయండి ఒకసారి మళ్ళీ ఏమైనా లింక్ ఒకసారి వచ్చిందేమో.
Okay.
Okay, DL tag defines the description. DD defines description. DT defines data term. yes, DL for data list of items. నేను ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండే చెప్పాను, ఇంకా DL చెప్పలేదు. DT and DD. ఓకేనా అండి? సో అర్థమవుతున్నాయా అండి క్లాసెస్? ఆన్లైన్ స్టూడెంట్స్?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay then. So we will continue in tomorrow's session. Thank you everyone. Those who have doubts, you can ask me if you have still any. Okay then, thank you everyone. If you don't have doubts, I'll just wind up the session. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you everyone. Yes, for Python framework. So someone asked some question. 1 second. So see, I will be telling complete UI based on Java. Like UI, it is common for everyone, Python or Java. It is common for everyone. Complete UI, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React JS. And after that, I will also tell the SQL database also. Okay. Regarding Python core, advanced, everything, framework will be like for the core advance of backend also. Again, framework for the front end is like React JS. So the React JS I will tell. Regarding Python, like you have already your trainer is there, like the Python trainer will tell. Is it okay, Benny? Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.